In mid-October, Ayudha puja was observed at Iraivan Temple. It is an important blessing for the many tools that make the temple construction possible. This puja is part of Navaratri and is considered an important event for the Silpis. Traditionally, the first stone for a new project is blessed on this day, and today that was the first stone in the next layer of the Nandi Mandapam's construction. Early October marked the completion and placement of the large floor stones in Iraivan Temple's inner sanctum. This wonderful accomplishment added a nice sense of completion to this space, as opposed to the rough floor that was underneath. Today we are all seeing history in the making, as this space is prepared to receive the bronze Avudaiyar and the crystal Shiva Lingam, which will reside here for more than 1,000 years. On that note, the monks of the Siddhidhatha Kulam completed their construction on the heavily reinforced ramp that would support the more than 10,000-pound Avudaiyar on its way into the inner sanctum. Also in October, our team in Loveland, Colorado, fully crated and prepared Lord Hanuman for his voyage across the Pacific to Kauai. Shiva will have a new desert garden in the months ahead. It is a 60-foot, 6-sided star and will be planted with cacti, succulents, and all manner of arid plants. The Shadkonam is an ancient Hindu sacred symbol, the intertwining of Shiva and Shakti. It is also the symbol for air and Vayu, the god of air. Vayu rules the northwest corner of any Vastu space, so of course he has a presence here. The crew that came to pump the concrete paths brought with them a boon. Their leader, Jim Fain, said that today's labor is free. My team wants to give this gift to the temple project. The job went quickly, and in about 3 hours they were done. By sunset, the forms were removed, and the garden is now ready for planting.